this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my perfect Pacific whiting. It's called pan trout. It's a medium delicate fish that has a flavor texture that's medium. It's a pan trout that we call in Mississippi, and we love pan trout. Whenever we have a function, we always have pan trout fish along with the catfish. Pan trout is a very good fish. It has a very good mild texture of a fish, and it's a fish that's what you call a clean fish. It's a fish that you can eat that's a clean kosher fish. I'm gonna show you how to fry some pan trout and show you how I do it in Mississippi. This is Sandy. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. And you can go to Kroger's and get this wild caught Pacific whiting, but we call it pan trout. It looks like this, but we're going to show you how we fix it here. We're going to fry it. We're going to deep fry it and show you what we're going to do. All right, we got the pan trout in water. What I'm going to do is add salt. It's like a brine. Just add salt and let it sit for about 10 minutes so the salt can get into the flesh of the pan trout. This is what it looks like. This is already cut, and all you do is just fry it. It comes thawed, and sometimes you can buy it unfrozen, but I mostly buy it always thawed. So you thaw it out in salted water for about 10 minutes, and we'll be ready to fry it. All right, now we have a center line. We have the pan trout that we had put in a brine for about 10 minutes in salt. We got, in this mixture is dry. We got cornmeal, we got onion powder, cayenne pepper, Cajun season, lemon pepper, and garlic and black pepper and a little salt. We have the same thing in this, but this is flour. We have a flour batter. You don't have to put milk in it. If you don't want to put milk, you just use water and make it like this, in a consistency like this. And then we're going to blend the cornmeal with the seasons, just like this, okay? Make sure this all blended up, and we'll show you what it look like when we come back. Make sure this is all blended, because we're going to dredge the fish in this and put it in this, and we're going to fry it. Show you what we're going to do. Okay, what we're doing now is dredging the fish into that batter, and we're going to put it in the dry cornmeal, just like this, and that's all we have to do. And we're going to put it in a frying pan. We'll be right back. What we're letting it do is get golden brown, and we don't want it to burn. We just want it to just have that crunch on it, just like that. And it don't take long for it to get done, not at all. We'll be right back. It don't take long for it to get done at all.